This is the V16 high current controller. The HC offers control of soft washing and larger pumps up to 30 amps. It has new technology and features to improve its performance. These include Pump Smooth, Pump Precision and Pump Protect. To connect the 12-volt DC pump, connect the brown controller wire to the red pump wire, then the blue controller wire to the black pump wire. Next, connect the fuse holder close to the battery end of the red wire. Cut the wire, fit the crimps, and fit to the fuse holder. Attach the black wire to the negative battery terminal and the red wire to the positive battery terminal. Finally, fit the fuse in the fuse holder. Fuses should only be fitted once all connections are made. Tightly close the holder. To turn on the controller, press the power button. Use the up button to increase the flow rate and the down to decrease the flow rate. To turn the controller off, press the power button again. To learn how to calibrate the controller, see the Auto Calibration Instructions video, and for more settings and controller messages, see the Digital Controller Messages video. For the full V16 range and more information, visit www.springltd.co.